Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best end caps is probably one of the most important finishing touches in jewelry making, offering both functionality and aesthetics. They not only protect the ends of your cords or chains but also provide a clean, professional look to your creations. In this video, we'll dive into the world of end caps, exploring different types, materials, and how to choose the perfect ones for your jewelry projects. Number 5. Antique silver cone bead caps for jewelry making. These bead caps come in a generous 100-gram package, providing you with approximately 130 to 190 pieces. This ensures you have plenty for all your jewelry making and crafting projects. Made from a high-quality alloy, this product is safe, durable, and built to last. You can rely on them for long-term use in all your creative endeavors. The bead caps range in size from 3 mm to 20 mm, with holes from 1 mm to 5 mm. This variety of sizes allows you to meet different DIY needs. The sophisticated design adds an eye-catching accent to your crafts. It also helps to conceal knots and other imperfections, giving your creations a polished look. These bead caps are perfect for necklaces, bracelets, and various DIY projects. They are also great for creating your own tassels, expanding the possibilities for your crafts. What we like. This product offers a generous quantity, perfect for bulk projects. Its durable alloy construction ensures longevity, making it a reliable choice. If you're working on multiple pieces or enjoy having a variety of options, this is the one for you. What people say. Happy with selection of antique silver-plated cones in package. Good bargain for DIY jewelry creators. I got a really great variety of different bead caps that are all really nice and will work with different projects I have. Some are short with a wide base and some are long and narrow, and it's a really nice mix. The variety was pretty balanced. Loved the color. Number 4. Pandahall alloy flower enamel beads caps. These beautiful beads are made of alloy with enamel. They feature a tulip flower shape and a gorgeous vintage design. Each bead is about 8 mm wide and 11 mm long, with a 2 mm hole. You'll receive approximately 10 pieces in each set. The beads have a stunning burgundy enamel finish. The gold plating adds a touch of elegance to the design. The color is a beautiful blend of blue and green, resembling a watercolor effect. It gives off a wonderful and unique feeling. These bead caps are perfect for earrings, pendants, necklaces, and even bracelets. Let your imagination run wild and create something beautiful. Compared to ordinary alloy beads, these will make your gifts look much cuter. They are the perfect addition to any jewelry project. What we like. The enamel flower design adds a touch of elegance and uniqueness. Its vintage style gives a classic look to your jewelry. If you like a pop of color and a touch of sophistication, this product will elevate your designs. What people say. I love the color gradation on these Pandahall flower cone beads. They're even lovelier in person. Exactly as pictured. The colors are beautiful and the beads have a good weight to them. Use these to hide the knots when I'm making sun catchers. Works great and the colors blend in. Number 3. ChangJin antique silver metal cord end caps. These are ChangJin cord end caps, perfect for your leather art projects. They come in a beautiful antique silver finish, adding a touch of elegance to your creations. Available in sizes from 8 mm to 13 mm, ensuring a perfect fit for your cords. Please check the picture for detailed size information to match your needs. Made from durable zinc alloy metal, these end caps are built to last. This ensures that they will withstand daily wear and tear, maintaining their beauty over time. Each box contains 100 pieces, providing ample supply for multiple projects. This allows you to complete numerous crafts without running out of these essential components. The antique silver color complements a variety of materials and designs. The hole size ranges from 3 mm to 6 mm, with a top hoop hole of 2.8 mm to 3.8 mm, offering versatility in your projects. What we like. The antique silver finish gives a vintage look. It provides secure cord ends for your leather art. If you are looking for a classic and sturdy finish for your leather projects, this is a great choice. What people say. The variety of this set is perfect. They have a less flimsy feel to them compared to others I've tried and unique designs that stand out. There are a variety of pieces to use for your DIY jewelry projects. Number 2. LolliBeads 1900 PCS Jewelry Making Findings Kit. This kit is perfect for all your jewelry making needs. It includes a wide variety of findings to help you create beautiful pieces. The kit comes with antique bronze, golden, silver, platinum, and black components. You'll have everything you need to match any design. Included are 500 iron fold-over cord ends in 5 colors. They are 8 by 3 mm, perfect for finishing leather cords and other materials. You'll also receive 150 lobster claw clasps in 5 colors. These 12 mm clasps are essential for securing your necklaces and bracelets. The kit contains 1250 open jump rings in 5 colors. These 5 mm rings are great for connecting different parts of your jewelry. Every piece in this kit is AAA quality. Each item is manually quality controlled before packaging, ensuring you get the best. What we like. This kit provides a complete set of findings, including clasps, jump rings, and cord ends. The multiple colors offer versatility in your designs. If you're starting out or need a comprehensive solution, this kit has everything you need. What people say. Perfect for round cord or flat leather cord, the end pieces are sturdy. The pieces work well, are easy to crimp and look neatly done when finished. The springs in the lobster claws seem nice and stiff and feel like they will last long. Number 1. PH Pandahall Cord End Caps, 80 PCS, Antique Silver. This package includes 80 end caps in 8 different styles, with 10 pieces of each style. They are about 12 to 16 mm long and 7 to 15 mm wide, with a hole size of 1.6 to 4 mm. You can use them for various DIY projects. These end caps are made of high-quality alloy and feature an advanced coloring process. They won't fade, deform, or break easily, ensuring better performance and a longer service life. They are designed to last. These cord tips are designed for easy use with a glue-in style. Simply insert a bead of glue into the tip, and then press the cord into it. It's a simple and effective way to finish your projects. The loop at the top makes it easy to add a clasp or other connector. You can easily attach your clasp or jump ring to the loop on the end. These caps fit cords up to 5 mm, 6 mm, 6.5 mm, 7 mm, 7.5 mm, and 8 mm. They are perfect for leather bracelets, fabric cords, and various other materials. Use them to create bracelets, earrings, chokers, anklets, bag pendants, tassels, charms, keychains, and pet collars. The possibilities are endless with it. What we like. This product offers a variety of styles to match different designs. The glue-in design makes it easy to use. If you're looking for versatility and ease of use for your cord projects, this is the perfect choice. What people say. These are exactly as advertised. They look good and are nice and sturdy. I use these as my go-to when working with bulky pieces. The different sizes makes it so easy to design with. Work great for beaded or kumihimo projects. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.